Local news for Monday the 25th of June. Masterton supermarkets will turn their backs on single-use plastic bags at the checkout this Friday as part of an initiative with the Masterton District Council. New World, Pack and Save and Countdown will all be offering free reusable bags. Customers will be able to exchange 5 plastic bags at the checkout or at a pop-up exchange tent operating over a 2-hour period this Friday. Wairarapa Hospital has been in contingency planning since the Nurses Association gave notice of impending strike action. To ensure they can operate safely during the strike, they'll need to reduce services significantly over this period. Patients with appointments or surgeries affected will be contacted directly by the hospital. Strike action begins for 24 hours on Thursday the 5th of July. And in sport and Premier Rugby, wins went to Martinborough, Gladstone, Carterton and Greytown, and Tuharangi won the Senior Reserves first round.